Thunder rumbled in my dreams this morning. It was distant but plain. Tried to hold back the day and the dawn. Tried to dream of some rain. Heard the horses stampede to the stable. They always know. Waking up, I saw you in the breeze at the window, with your hair flowing. Keep on believing, Amelia, I understand your pain. You've given up your own dreams for me. You ain't got so much to gain. Just let me hold you whenever life starts to make you insane. Let me love you like a slow falling rain. Something soothing about the sound of the raindrops playing old window pane. Something real about the rain of the rooftop singing under the rain. I believe we can get through the summer, and I believe in this dream, and I believe you're a sight to behold with the lightning in your eyes gleaming. Keep on believing, Amelia, I understand your pain. You've given up your own dreams for me. You ain't got so much to gain. So just let me hold you whenever life starts to make you insane. Let me love you like a slow falling rain. Like rain. Oh, like rain. Thank you. Good job, boys.